If you do not own any of the Christmas PJs from Target, I suggest you go check them out because they're really, really cute. Me, Austin, and Lawson, we all have matching Christmas pajamas. It gets you in the Christmas spirit. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a December favorites. And I know it's not the end of the month for me to be doing a December favorites video, but I just have so many favorite products that I really want to share with you guys because I know that you will love them too. So I walked around my house, I gathered up all the things that I really love that have been my favorites this month, things that I've been picking up repeatedly, or things that you just have to know about. So here we go. Before I show you all of these amazing things that you need to get either for yourself or for somebody for Christmas as a last minute Christmas present, all of these things would be super easy to go out and get. Before I show you them, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that the notification bell is clicked so you are notified every time I upload. That way you do not miss a video because we would not want you to miss any of my videos, right? So the first thing that I want to talk about in this video, obviously, are Christmas candles. I know that we all love Bath & Body Works, correct? Yes. These both were made with essential oils, so they don't give you a headache. A lot of candles that I have give me really bad headaches. These do not. These smell really good. This one is called Winter, and it just smells amazing. I feel like every single person in the whole wide world would love this candle. This one is called Evergreen. And it smells like a Christmas tree farm, and my Christmas tree behind me, this is my first Christmas that I've ever had a real Christmas tree, and I absolutely love it. So this smells like you have a million Christmas trees in your house. It smells fantastic. I haven't burned it yet because I have been trying to go through this one, and my house is so small that if I burn two of these candles at the same time, the smell's gonna mix and it probably wouldn't smell that good. So I'm waiting for this one to like burn out completely or me just get sick of it and want to try this one out. I know that it's going to make my house smell amazing. The next thing that has been a complete lifesaver for me since we're deep into sweater weather season. Did I say sweater weather? Sweater weather season. A lot of my favorite sweaters get that, what is it called? Pilling? Is that what it's called? A lot of my favorite sweaters get those little knots, those white dots on it. And they don't look good anymore. They don't look brand new, they look very old, and I may have only had them since last fall. So I wear sweaters like 3 or 4 times and then they're completely trashed because they're full of that stuff. I also wear black leggings literally all winter long, and they get the same exact knots on them and it doesn't look good. So this is from Conair. I'm gonna insert a clip right here to show you how this thing works. This thing is awesome. It's very loud. And I got it from Amazon, so I will leave it linked below for you. But this, you just graze it on your sweaters and it takes all of those little knots off. So it's excellent to have during this season. Very, very affordable. This is a must-have. Everybody needs this little defuzzer dude because he's a lifesaver and he saves your sweaters and your pants. Next up, I have always been wanting to try the Tatcha stuff and have never purchased it myself. So my dearest friend Peyton cannot use Tatcha. She is like a slave to Proactive is what she says. She cannot use anything new besides Proactive. I, however, try everything under the sun and I'm always testing out new products. And so she gave me this because she can't use it. And I was like, oh heck yes, I'll take it because who doesn't love Tatcha? My mom is obsessed with this stuff. It smells really good. It feels like a really thick, really nice moisturizing cleanser. When I rinse off my face does feel a little bit stripped. I don't like that feeling at all. So I could not wait to get out of the shower and put my moisturizer on because my hair is standing up on my arms just thinking about that feeling, that squeaky, stripped feeling that you get like in your hair or on your skin after shampooing or using a cleanser. I hate it so much. This does that a little bit. My Purity Philosophy face wash that I rave about in every single favorites video, that one does not leave me with a stripped, gross feeling at all, which is why it is one of my favorite cleansers in the world. But I have enjoyed this a lot. I enjoy how thick and moisturizing and good it feels rubbing it onto my face, and it does take off. It does take off all of my makeup. Next up, this is in my giveaway video because I want all of my subscribers to have this because it feels so good, especially if you leave these in your fridge and then put them on under your eyes. It feels so good. They're from the brand Wander Beauty and they're gold foil eye masks and they feel amazing. I am not one that has jumped on the eye cream, eye mask bandwagon yet. I probably should because I'm getting older, and as we get older, we age. As we get older, we age more. So I probably need to be doing eye masks or an eye cream every single day, which I am not yet. But these are really good. They feel really good. Go get you some. Next up, this stuff is incredible. It smells so good. So good. I think you can get it at Target. Oh, it literally smells like I just stepped out of a salon and got my hair done. I have been using this every single shower because my ends are so bad, like in rough shape. And so if I do not put heat on my ends, they're like frizzy and I really need to get a trim really bad. This has been saving my hair a lot. It doesn't feel damaged when I get out of the shower. It brushes through really smoothly. You should have seen my hair when I was getting out of the shower and I was spraying detangular spray in my hair and then I was brushing it through. Literally all of this was in one huge knot. It was horrible and it was really hard to brush all of it out. I would literally, I'm not even exaggerating, I would be brushing my hair for a good 25 minutes just to get this huge bird's nest of a knot out. That's how bad I need a trim. When I started to use this, I actually found it in my basket of products that I haven't touched in forever. I found it, I used it in my shower, and then I was like, oh my gosh, it's the best stuff ever. So if you've got really damaged hair and that feels really dry and gross, this is going to make it feel really smooth. It's going to brush through really, really nice, and it smells amazing for like 3 straight days. So this stuff is awesome, and it's drugstore, so it's going to be really affordable. I got this in this month's BoxyCharm, and I love it. It's a detox PM mask. I really like it because when your face is damp, you can put it on your fingertips, rub it like this, and then put it on your face, and then done. Like in a second, it's on. You walk around your house for a little bit. After 10 minutes later, you go rinse it off, put on your moisturizer, and your face feels like a baby's butt. I have been doing this the past couple, I know you're not supposed to do masks every single day, but the past 3 mornings when I have gotten out of the shower, I don't wash my hair every day, but I wash my body every morning. And so when I get out of the shower, when my face is opened up from the steam and the hot water, I put this on my face really good, and then I go make my coffee, I let the dogs out, yada yada, and then by the time I do all of that, it's time to rinse it off. Throw on my moisturizer, throw on my makeup, and I'm good to go for the day, and my face feels amazing, and it gives me a very nice clean base to put my makeup on. It's from the company Cosmetics with an X. I will leave all of this stuff linked below for you in the description box, so that way you can just go down there, click on the link, and order it like that. Next up, this palette. I talked about this in one of my vlogs, so if you watch every single one of my videos, you've already heard me talk about this. This is the Ace Beauty palette. I love these colors. They're so vibrant, there's no fallout, and they blend out incredible. So good. These 2 colors, Myrtle and Cinnamon, I wear this pretty much every day now. It is pretty much my everyday look. And then these 2 pink colors right here, I talked about that in my vlog as well, and I wore it on my Instagram and got lots of questions on it, and I did a makeup tutorial on it as well. So if you want to see me play with these 2 colors and it turns out so good, I'll leave that video linked below for you so you can go check that out. But this is an incredible palette, and I want to buy it for all of my girlfriends. I want to buy it for all of my girlfriends that don't have one because, I mean, it's so good. It's like just as good as the Jaclyn Hill palettes in my opinion. So that's how impressed I am with this. Right around the holiday time, we have got to have some red lipsticks, right? And the Morphe liquid lips are bomb. So this color is Hot Shot, and then this one is Morphe. So this one is a really bright orangey type of red, and this one is a maroon darker type of red. Both of these look incredible. I feel like they can go on any skin tone, and they're long wearing. My only tip is do not keep reapplying layers of this because then it starts to get flaky, and then you've got red flakes down here on your chin and it just doesn't look good. So when you need to feel a little bit of moisture or you just need a touch up, just tap some chapstick over top of this, like just plain clear chapstick, and then, you know, tap it in, rub your lips together or whatever, and then you're good to go. Just, this is not a type of lipstick that you want to just keep reapplying over and over. I know I mentioned this in one of my recent makeup tutorials. This is the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. This stuff is so good. It literally makes a really nice smooth base for your foundation to go on top of. It's extremely affordable, and I feel like it's got very simple ingredients, so it's not gonna make you, like even the really sensitive skinned people, It's not gonna make you have any kind of breakouts or anything weird. I really love this primer a lot. And then another one that I've been loving is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This really does blur out your pores. It blurs out all the imperfections that you need to hide, and it's a great base for your foundation to go on top of. So in between these two, this is what I've been picking up every single day for a very long time now. Sorry if I'm talking really fast. I have a bunch of stuff to show you, and I don't want this to be a 30-minute video. Another thing that I've been loving is this Amika Bombshell Blowout Spray. You put this in damp hair before you blow dry. I have only used a little bit of it because I don't blow dry my hair every single day. I actually only blow dry my hair probably twice a month, maybe. I never really do it, so it's been one of those things that I absolutely loved and I raved about, but I don't pick up very much because I don't blow dry my hair. If you are a person who blow dries your hair every single day, this is for you. It gives your hair so much volume. It really plumps it up. It makes you look like you just got a blowout. It looks incredible. So on days where I know that I want my curls to last all day and I want to really go all out with my hair, I'll take a shower, brush out all the tangles, spray some of this in there, blow dry, and then apply heat and some dry shampoo and some hairspray. Looks like I just stepped out of a salon. This stuff is really good and it smells amazing. So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. I hope that I gave you lots of new product ideas for you to test out and try for yourself. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure that notification bell is clicked so you don't miss out on any uploads. Go follow me over on Instagram so you can see daily behind the scenes, kind of a peek into my life with being a mom, being a wife, being a dog mom as well. You'll just get to hang out with me all day. I am trying to grow my audience over there as well, so I can do different kind of content over there. Have my YouTube family on both social platforms. That would be amazing if I could connect with you in both ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Love you, and I will see you soon. Mwah.